If you are building AI apps in production, here is the part nobody enjoys. Your model is not completely bad, it is almost right. It answers most questions well, but then real users comes in and breaks it in a weird way. Wrong JSON format, missed refund rule, generic support reply, and one edge case is that your prompt clearly explained, but the model still ignores. And the usual fix is to keep stretching the prompt. More rules, more examples, more please follow this format exactly. But at some point, that stops feeling like engineering. That starts feeling like patchwork. This is why Navius Token Factory Data Lab is interesting. It gives you a proper loop for improving the model using the data your app is already generating. Your inference logs, chat completions, uploaded datasets, batch outputs, failed responses, good responses, all of that can come into one data lab workflow. So instead of guessing what to improve, you can look at real production behavior. Where did the model fail? Which responses were actually good? Which edge cases keeps repeating? Then you filter those examples, curate a dataset, use it for post-training or fine-tuning, and deploy the improved model back into your app. And the nice part is you are not jumping between 5 tools just to close the loop. You can do this inside the Token Factory dashboard. From a developer point of view, this is the part I really like. If your app already uses the OpenAI compatible API flow, you usually do not need to rewrite your whole backend. You point the app to the new fine-tuned model ID and the product starts using the improved version. So instead of treating model quality like a one-time setup, you can keep improving it like any other product feature. Sip it, watch where users break it, turn those examples into better data, fine-tune, deploy the improved model, and repeat. That is what makes Data Lab useful for production AI apps. It gives you a cleaner way to move from real user behavior to better model behavior.